Hello friends, peace be upon you all. We will learn to give the effect of fire or flame. In this, we will not use any plugins or filters. This effect shows you on the screen, as you are looking. So, without wasting time, let's start the video. First, create a new document. Width 900, height 900. Resolution is 300. Can take any resolution, between 72 to 300. Color mode is RGB. Background content should be kept black. After that, it will be created here. I write text here, you can put any logo or any image. Here I have written, flame, and its size is small. Its size 48. Right-click on this layer, and click on Rasterize Type. There are some filters to use, to change its shape. So, rasterized the text layer. Now, go to Up Filter and after that, Distort, then, Ripples. Now let's not go into ripples. First we have to give wind effect on it. We will rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Then filter, stylize, wind. Method is wind. Direction is from the left, then click OK. You are seeing the wind effect. We will reapply this filter. It's done twice, it's done 3 times, you can do it 4 times. And, can do more than that. I am applying it 4 times. Now, you have to rotate it counterclockwise, so that we can see it written straight. Select the background layer, and press Ctrl+A. Then select the text layer, and align it horizontal and vertical. Deselect by pressing Ctrl+D. Now we will apply a filter on it. Go to Filter, Distort, Ripple. Amount will be 125% of it, and its size will be medium. If you want to keep small, you can. I am keeping medium and click OK. So, this effect will look something like this. We will not use any plugins or filters, as here is an effect in the filter. The filter has a flame effect in the render menu, but we will not apply this for flame effect. Now we will change the mode to grayscale. This is what happens in the grayscale. Changing modes can affect the appearance of layers. Flatten image before mode change. Click on Flatten. When we flatten, it discards any color information it contains. When it discards, the 2 layers will merge. Go to Image, Mode, Indexed Color. I will tell you now, what are the index colors. Click on it. Go to Image, Mode, Color Table. The index color is where your 0 is black, and 255 is white. There are 256 shades in this grayscale color table. Select black body instead of grayscale. The black body also has all the shades from black to white below. If you want to keep black, then click OK. You can see the flame effect in the preview. and if you don't keep black. So select the eyedropper tool and click on black. So, the black background will be removed from here. Click OK. Layer will not unlock because our document is in indexed color. We will convert it back to RGB color. So, here is our flame effect. Now create any solid dark color layer. Move this layer down. Now, you can change the color as you wish. So, here is our flame or fire effect. A flame or fire effect is given to the object using indexed color. The effect has been given on the text. You can also give it on any object. This is a very easy method. I hope you like this method. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.